That's really what G-Class owners love. Hello guys, Ivan here and welcome to new video. So today we are here in this amazing two-tone interior, full manufacturer leather interior. Check out the headliner. We are in the very special car. So this is 2024 Mercedes G500 and this is the final edition V8. And today we're at AMG Performance Center, Bratislava-Lamac. Special thanks for having us here today. And in this video I will show you all the details which make this edition special, and also we will listen to the V8 sound. Alright guys, so let's go over the exterior of the 2024 G500, and this being the final V8 edition. So I really love the G-Class, especially I think 90 or 95%, like 9 of every 10 cars is actually painted in this color, the obsidian black, and for a good reason. This one is very iconic in terms of the colors. So this is your typical standard, we can say, obsidian black, and the metallic paint, true black, we can say. No like brown in it, nothing like that. This is your typical black. Very, very nice in terms of the colors. You cannot go wrong with this color. It's a color which is here for many years, and I think it will stay here for many years to come. So let's take a look at this final V8 edition. So in this version the V8 will be final. So we are looking at 1,500 units in 3 colors: the olive magno, this obsidian black, and also the white, which is the opalite white magno. So these 3 colors, and each is produced in 500 units. So you have a special opportunity to get this car actually. So you have many details, and this is like really full spec. You will see in the interior this is hugely equipped vehicle. We have here the chrome in the grille and also chrome bits in the front bumper. So these are looking great in chrome, and we have here the multi LEDs in terms of the headlights, your typical indicators, old school indicators. They are really huge. Check it out, this is like size of my palm, really huge indicators. And first what we will check out is actually here. Let's go over from this side. We have a light from this side a little bit better. So here you can see on this trim piece, final edition, very small detail, but I love it. And all the way around the car you will have this all the way in there. Check it out, final edition. Also check out the sound here, really crazy. The V8 is rumbling away. So we have V8 421 horsepower. You can also see here the final edition V8 in chrome, and these are the wheels for the final edition. With olive magno you have insert in olive. Here we have the black for the black and also for the white car, and these are Scorpion Zero tires, all season, Pirelli 275 50 R20. You can also see the exhaust there and suspension for the G-Class. From the outside you can also see there the speakers. Alright, so check out here the speakers from the outside. They are reminiscent of the position of the indicators as well. An iconic G-Class exposed hinges as well as the closing sound. Here we have the G actually as well in the door handles. This is your typical 50-year-old door handle. Very cool actually that they, so very cool that they kept this here. When we go towards the back, the rear tires are the same. I can show it to you, 275 50 R20. And the brake caliper, the brake calipers here are Mercedes-Benz. Also one thing to keep in mind, this is actually vent which depressurizes like the cabin. It's not here for the styling, this piece. This is a functional. So at the back we can see G500, legendary name already. So this G500 special final edition is actually marking 30th anniversary, the birthday of first G-Class which got the V8 engine, so in 1993. So 2023 was the launch, the world's premiere of this model, so that's why 30 years. Also here we have chrome, check out how shiny it is, chrome wheel cover, spell wheel cover. Also here we have a hook to tow a trailer, or you can attach some kind of accessories here. So here we have also tow hook to tow a trailer. Also check out here the final edition. So here we have beautiful detail, so large final edition, and then small details the same as on the side in the final edition without the spaces. So it's like a pattern, like a monogram. So this is a very nice detail. We have also privacy windows in the back. In the front is not allowed here in Europe, but in back we have it. And I believe that's it in terms of the exterior. That's what you can find. So let's check out first here the boot. So in this car we have full manufacturer package. Check out here the two-tone headliner, diamond stitching, the black and also gray two-tone interior. This is looking absolutely stunning. So this is something what only you as an owner will see, but you will appreciate it that much more. Also you have here the gray with diamond stitching in the door. And check out here this amazing cherry wood. So this is like a cherry red wood with these rubber inserts and like a chrome inserts as well. This looks like a yacht, like a deck on the yacht. So this is absolutely fantastic. Also here we have indoor car cover, which says the stronger than time. Also illumination from the mirrors show you stronger than time as well. Here we have the rear seat entertainment system, like the TVs which go there in the back, the displays, and underneath we can find AMG floor mats. So this is how the wood look. Check it out, super stunning. Also these sides are from leather. Check it out, everything is wrapped in the leather. Here is subwoofer, here is like a net. So truly spectacular interior. You can see for yourself here. Yeah, this is something truly special with this black wood. This is truly breathtaking interior. Check it out. I really love this wood. Maybe it's not super practical, but it's super nice. You can put over it some mat if you want to preserve, but this is very special. So here we have a spare wheel, whole wheel, not only rubber but also the whole wheel, so you can change this in emergency if you need that. Okay. Alright, so it's time to check out the engine bay. Alright guys, so let's check out the engine bay here. Very iconic powertrain. So you need to press here this, and then you can release. So this is 4.0 liter V8 engine. So this one actually is very close to that one which you can find in the 63 AMGs. So considering what you are getting with this engine is really great. This one produces 421 horsepower and 610 Newton meters of torque. The acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour or 62 miles per hour happens in 5.6 seconds, and the top speed is 210 km per hour limited. So very great numbers for the V8 engine. So you can see also here connections for the battery and rubber seal to keep everything nice and tidy and weatherproof. And the engine cover, you can see 4 and 4 cylinders. So this is like the 63 Lite version of the engine. So here on the fuel fill cap you can find the pressures for different wheel sizes, tire sizes, and also you should use the 95 octane petrol E5 or E10. Alright guys, so now let's check out the interior. So here we have two-tone manufacturer full leather interior. Alright guys, and let's check out here the final edition trim in the door seals. This is illuminated, and around we have like embossed final edition like monogram. Check it out. This looks absolutely fantastic. You can immediately see that you are in a special final edition. So the combination is black leather and the Titan gray pearl. So that's the name of this gray leather. We have seen this in other version as well. So this manufactured full leather for the G500 is now really special for this model, and I think it suits this car quite a lot. So it's not like the white. If here would be white, it would be immediately like seen. Now it is like a sort of saddle, but you can see this as well. I like that it is saddle, but also you can see that it's something special. Also check out here, the lower section is in leather and is amazing wood. I really like how this looks. Diamond stitching, this is a gray, and also door handle. We have fully electric seats, 3 levels for heating, also for the ventilation. You can lock, unlock the car, iconic G-Class sound for the locking, windows, also you can fold the mirrors here, and also everything basically is in leather, what you can imagine. Check out, also this is in leather. Also check out this lower section is in leather, upper section of the dashboard. So these parts are in leather and these basically everything. So let's hop inside. Alright guys, so let's close the doors. You need to close them properly. If you close them less, check it out now, see, it's not closed. So you need to really slam these doors properly, and that's really what G-Class owners love, this satisfaction from closing the doors. Also, if you close the car, check it out, brutal sound. So that's why all of us love the G-Class. These vents, super elegant, like turbines in the aeroplane, and the whole cockpit looks still very good in my opinion. Also, if you want to activate the differentials, you need to go with the lever into drive. Now you can press the middle one. You can see differential lock active, ABS and ESP not available, and you can go for the rear one, which is number 2, and the number 3. If you start to move, they will also light up as a red one, but I will turn them off right now because we are not in the off-road scenario. Also, here you can see these beautiful black wood. I really like this one. Adjustable cup holders. You can put your key fob there if the battery in the key fob dies. So talking about the key fob, here we have the final edition in the back. So right now we have command system in this car. I'm not going to over this one, but here we have the navigation, radio, media, telephone, in-car office, connect, vehicle and system. And you can control this with the scroller wheel. Also you can swipe here and you can control it like this. In the vehicle you have many settings, for example the owner's manual, then vehicle setting, light settings, consumption assistance, dynamic silent energizing comfort, climate control. You can sync AC. So still I think it looks nice, these animations, but of course right now we have much modern ones. So here you have many functionalities such as massage, all kinds of massages like in the S-Class. How cool is that? Dynamic seat, so you can have level 1, level 2, and lumbar support, side bolsters, reset, and many actually here. So you can see this black wood here as well, and check it out, here on the grab handle we have also final edition. So you can see it here. Also it's like I can feel the texture of it, and small final edition as well here. Check it out, very subtle actually. So that is also pretty cool. And yeah, here are the seats with the diamond stitching, this gray on the middle side, and on the outer side we have the black, also very soft here for the head. And check out, here we have the headliner. So this one is in the middle gray, and on the sides it's a black one. And also if you close here for the window, this is also from the leather, so wrapped in the leather. Check it out, this detail, it's a leather. Also here the headliner, also if you Also, if you take a look here, everything is basically wrapped in the leather. This is truly magnificent how they managed to wrap everything in leather. Also, this grab handle is in leather, also underneath is in leather, also around it, also like the B pillars, check it out, are in leather. So this is truly something exquisite and really special here. Warmaster speaker there, and you can open this manually like in every G-Class, and also you can open this for the ventilation like this. Check it out, you have a small gap there, so you can do that, and you can also open this more if you want. Check it out, so now we have much more fresh air coming to the car. So this is truly special for a G-Class. You are feeling now like you are on some kind of mission, so you are maybe on the safari or in the forest. Really great. Also, this helps with the airflow to break it out, so this is truly great feature. Also, the glass is tinted, but if it's too sunny, then you can close it like this manually. So this is fantastic. And check out here the leather, this gray one and black one, that is really unbelievable. Also in the back you can see the same principle with the middle sections in the gray and otherwise in black. Also, as with every G-Class, we have the Mercedes-Benz Schuckel-approved badge, so this is for all G-Classes here. So let's close the door here, and here we can see the back seat. I'm not going to jump in the interior, but you can see the same principle with the gray and black, and in the middle here we have the armrest. You can also see the cup holders here, and check out here the difference with the black and also the gray in terms of the two-tone headliner. So this is truly spectacular. You can also find the ISOFIX here for child seat on each side, so that is also possible. And here we have the illuminated USB-C ports, 12-volt socket, and also AC, so you can control the fan and also the temperature. Here we have some storage space, and here goes the TV, which is in the boot, which we saw there. So here we have also seat heating, 3 levels in the bag as well. Button, everything is in leather. Also the door cards here are in leather. Some storage space, huge pockets, and very beautiful door. Really stunning. The stitching, diamond stitching gray is also in the back. So this is truly spectacular in terms of the equipment and fit and finish. Really something unique. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Let me know how you like the new G-Class G500 Final Edition V8 in the comment section down below. Thank you very much for your support, and I will see you soon in the next video. Have a wonderful day.